Childcare facilities operate with the understanding that they are responsible for the safety of all the children within its control. By ensuring that staff have constant, consistent communications available to them, these daycares are better able to keep this promise to their families. In the case of smaller school facilities, such as daycares, a pretty basic system would be required to maintain communications. One popular two-way radio model for this application would be the Motorola SL300. This 3-watt radio will definitely be able to provide full coverage for this type of location and structure. Another two-way radio system feature, which would benefit this team, would be a multi-unit charger. Having this on hand not only allows for consolidation of radios, but it also assures that all of them are charged and ready to go each day. For school security, or if you simply would like a more hands-free communication system, the 2-wire surveillance kit earpiece would be a great option. This earpiece also possesses a replaceable clear tube and memory foam ear tip in order to aid in maintaining sanitation among equipment. For more information on a custom communication system for your daycare, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.